goodness. Oh my goodness. The birdies, the mamas, she's doing her job. Oh my God. Hi. There's like 4 of them. Y'all sleep? Y'all sleep? Okay, and the sunflowers are doing well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hey guys, hey y'all. Guys and gals, and the non-binaries. Hey everybody. Hey y'all, what's up? So I've been in the garden doing a little bit of watering here, a little bit of pulling up certain things that are ready to pull up here. And guess who didn't help? This is who didn't help. I wish that I could just be there's tail, this comfortable right now. Like, can I? They go to fall. Another fall. Wow. Wow. Okay. I noticed that some of the onions, the green onions, and which are bunching onions, I believe, and regular onions are kind of ready. So I'm taking some of those out, and I actually ended up using those in a meal. They were delicious, and it was really nice to be able to finally pull some things up and use them, put them to good use. This is me grabbing a couple more of the green onions, and I know I broke some of them off. I did. I broke some of them off, and I was just like, whatever, they'll grow back, I guess. But these came up like a champ. So yeah, check out my harvest. Very nice. Oh yeah. Also saw some creepy crawlers. Look at this. Oh my God. Ah. I took some time off to also enjoy a glass of wine. And also, I've been enjoying pulling up, cutting flowers. And I'm taking wild flowers from just around the property and I'm putting them in little arrangements. Isn't that lovely? A little sourdough bread here and there as well. And of course, I have to do the millennial thing. Got to do some avocado toast with eggs on top. All right. Good day, everyone. I am actually going to run some errands right now. And my cat thinks she's going outside, but she's not. You're not going outside. You're not going outside. Look at you looking at the door. No, you're not going nowhere. There's hawks. There's foxes. There's coyotes. You don't know nothing about that life. You are not hard. I need you to just stay in your lane, kitty. Thank you. Anyway, we're going to go to Wally World, Walmart, Wally World as we call it here. And we're going to get a couple of things for the house because we typically get certain things from there and certain things we don't care if we get them somewhere else. So anyway, let's go. Okay, I literally went, what the fuck? I didn't know that these are eggs. I thought this was the candy snack aisle. I didn't know pickled eggs would be in the snack aisle. Wow. Oh. Okay. I don't know what it is, but, I think I have an idea what it is, but never mind. I always get this weird energy sometimes, and it's just, not every single time, but enough for me to be like, what's going on here? Can I speak to your manager? But I did not ask. I did not, Karen. It wasn't that big of a deal, but sometimes I can just tell that people have like a stank face sometimes. I'm like, just do your job. And they do, but just do your job. Customer service is supposed to be a part of your job. So just provide decent customer service. You don't have to go above and beyond, but honey. Oh, holy moly. I just looked at y'all yesterday and they were smaller, I feel like. Look how big. I don't think all y'all could fit. Somebody's got to get their own apartment. Who the oldest? I don't know if it's going to be enough space. The mom was just in there and she flew out. Huh. Interesting. So somewhere around this clip, the sound just didn't want to like do its thing. The sound didn't want to sound, you know. And so I said, fine, I will do a voiceover. I've just done my third or fourth time trying to save this video. This stupid crap going on. So anyway, what I'm doing is I am using a stick. I am going hella primitive right now. I'm using a stick to measure my board. The stick is pretty much the length of the space I need to slide this board into. And I am going to saw this up. Silky saws are so amazing. I'm gonna need them to sponsor me one day. They're so good. But yeah, saw is amazing. And so after I cut this and put it into place, now I'm ready to move on to the next step, which is filling it in with dirt. So let's get to the next step. Hey folks, Curlychronicles here, and today we are filling the second raised garden bed with soil. These are some sticks and roots and debris that will help kind of fill in the bottom area. As you can see, I'm already tired because I already did quite a bit of work. But as you can see, we have not only the hardware cloth placed down, but we also have some cardboard. But beneath the cardboard, we have landscaping fabric. So it goes landscaping fabric first, then the hardware cloth, then the all these flies on me, then the cardboard. So I just put cardboard here, then I can start putting my soil in. I'm doing a blend of the native soil that's here as in a I'm going to amend it with a little bit of compost, mushroom compost I have here, and a little bit of this raised bed soil here. That will mostly be on the top. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm tired already. This is hard work, but I always feel good after I'm all done with it. And I look back on it and I'm like, yeah, okay. My little tools here, gardening gloves and pliers. Okay, let's keep going. Ah, something is in my ear. You never know if it's a leaf or if it's an insect. Anywho, I'm just about done, but I have to put a board that goes here so that I can close off this raised bed. So I'm gonna cut that, and I think I'm just gonna use my handsaw. I don't feel like bringing out all the big tools. And then I'm gonna start putting these sticks at the bottom of this bed. Then comes the soil. Okay, yeah. All right, let's do it. Let's get her done. Sweating. This is the look of hard work. Anybody who's out here doing this and they look like pristine, perfect, and they're sweating,